View, Scaled Mode, and click Switch. Okay, now the desktop window is scaling. But it still doesn't look good, so we're going to have to change the display properties. So right-click on the desktop, scroll down to Applications, Settings, Display. Click the down arrow by resolution, and check a couple of these out and choose the one that works the best. This one's a little small, so I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080. Okay, that looks good. Debian 10.2 is now installed in my virtual machine, and the display looks good. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.